there's two kinds of permissions on Android, and then there's kind of an interesting thing that works on both Android and iOS. So on Android, you can have the standard permissions for things that every app knows, so microphone, location, and then video camera, for example, right? And then apps can create their own sort of hidden permissions that they can use to share with other apps. So in other words, if you have, take a Microsoft app or something, you sign into one Microsoft app and you open a different app from Microsoft, that you're still signed in. So those two apps are essentially sharing information because they're created by the same developer, and that's fine. But we've seen cases where apps are two separate apps, seemingly completely separate apps, will implement this kind of secret permission or dangerous permission. There's different buzzwords for it, but essentially you implement a non-standard permission, and two apps, when you install each one individually, maybe one says I need internet access and the other one says I need camera and audio recording access, but not internet. So in isolation, they both seem kind of safe, but as soon as both apps are installed on the device, if they're sharing that permission, then basically both apps now have internet access and access to your camera and microphone. We call that app collusion.